Hello, this is MathSci Man here, and I want to tell you guys that this is a plant life cycle where I would like to talk about in another video that I included. And what you see here is a lot of the steps from what you will encounter in your biology classes. And I honestly hope this helps. And there were some very minor mistakes that I made. So here, I hope you could reference to this part of the video on what I'm talking about. And another thing that I want to mention is where there's words that mention like diploid, haploid, those are the ploidy levels of the cells that each stage is undergoing. So that's basically what those terms mean. And I honestly hope that's helpful and understandable. And yeah, I'll probably do a video regarding mitosis and meiosis on what all that means, and hopefully you guys stay tuned for that. And I hope you find this video helpful. And please like and subscribe to this channel, and also please comment down below if you have any further questions about the plant life cycle. I also might be doing a video on how to draw certain plants, because there's so many different types of plants that do different things but do the same stages because of their structure and all of that. So again, I hope this helps, and this is MathSci Man, and I hope you enjoy all the other videos that are embedded in this video.